What's going on, guys? I got some big work today. Not exactly firewood, scrap metal, rooftop air conditioners. I got this one on the truck now, and then they're just bringing the other one down. So we're gonna load it on the top of this one, and then I'm gonna get out of here. This is some really good money, guys. Like, these rads are paying like almost $2 a pound, and they weigh up. Copper price is really good now, and I don't know, I'm guessing I might get maybe $1,000 at least. And here's the other one. I'm gonna lift it up now and drop it on the top of this one. What's going on, guys? Over here at the shop, and I gotta put this Norway maple and Bradford pear onto the U-Haul trailer. My truck's down, ball joint's busted, so I gotta get it repaired. It's just over here on the street behind the building here. And this is working out to be pretty good. I like these trailers, and it's a bit of a hassle with the wood because I can't dump it, but it's not too bad overall. This is a 6x12. Then I got to go over to the truck, and I got a load of branches from helping a tree cutter take away the branches, and there's a bunch of Norway in there as well, so I'm going to empty that into the trailer too. Then I got to go cut up some sugar maple smoker wood. The smokehouse called me, and they're not waiting this time. They said they need it, so I got to head up there. Usually it's not a rush, and I have like 2 or 3 days to go up there, and I usually go within the first day or two. But now my problem is I have to take sugar maple logs and cut them into chunks, because I put a bunch for firewood and I've ran out of the chunks. And I don't even have any maple seasoning right now too. So there's probably about a face cord of maple that I have set aside that I got to cut into chunks, and that'll do me for at least another couple loads. So hopefully I can get some maple within the next week or two and get it seasoning, so that when I run out of the log supply that I have now, then I can start using what's dried later on in about, I don't know, maybe a month and change from now. Alright, less weight on the truck for the tow truck. I'm gonna get towed from here to here. It's gonna cost me $50. I already spent $400 on the tow from when it broke down. And because it's a bigger truck than a pickup truck, plus I have a load on, they sent 3 trucks to come, and finally the third one came and took it. And he said $550, that's Canadian dollars, of course. So how much is that? Maybe about $400 US. And then I got him down to 400 Canadian. So yeah, too much money. Very expensive here. Anyways, let's get to the wood yard. I just got to the wood yard, and the landlord told me there's a whole pile of wood up here. And he's like, oh, it looks like good wood. I bet you it's not good wood. It might be good wood. It could be good wood, but I bet you chances are maybe not. But let's see. I'm not much of a skeptic. It's just that, you know, when people see wood, they're like, oh, it's all good because it looks like wood. And they're like, well, that just looks good, right? So let's see. Said it's about 300 yards up this way. Oh, here it is. Oh no, it's not good wood, I could tell. No, it is a box elder. No, I don't want it. See? Well, I don't know why it looked like good wood when it's all rotten. Well guys, if this was not a windy day, it'd be a perfect fall day. Came back to the wood yard and these box elder trees are like almost bare. They were full of leaves the other day and they were just starting to turn. And now, all gone. Huh. Those black locusts take a little bit to go. They're starting to go though. A bunch of leaves have fallen off so far. Look at the mess in here. Wood's unloaded and now it's time for the hard part. It's time to cut all this maple into chunks. Okay guys, 10 bags loaded up, and I was calling another customer who ordered a couple face cords off of me, and I could only sell him one because my wood's almost done. See, I got almost 5 crates there, and I got these 2 crates in the back, in the very back. This is more sugar maple that I have to cut up later, and then there's that stack in front of the log splitter there. That's another set of sugar maple, and then all this loose stuff. Well, I have this order too. Well, I have this pile too, but that's for another customer. I've been putting it aside, but this wood in these 2 crates, it's all fresh wood that I've just put in there to start restocking. So anyways, I'm gonna go deliver this load and then head home for the day. It's a Saturday. I had a long day today, long day yesterday, long day before. Crazy times, guys. So anyways, see you next time. Like, subscribe, share, comment, and all that good stuff.